Jim Fletcher and say, this is the way you do an unboxing, Jim. We're unboxing an MRE, menu number 18, beef ravioli. And inside, so first of all, these are, I want to say these are about 9 years old, but they've been irradiated properly, so they last forever. This is the heater. This is actually the chemical heater that you can use to heat up your chow. All right, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But, ooh, this is your hot beverage bag, so you can make hot beverages. This is your accessory pack. Now let's check out what's in these. So back in the day, the accessory pack had cigarettes. We don't get those anymore. But we definitely have creamer, non-dairy, dry, because everything in the military has these ridiculous backwards wording, right? So it's creamer, comma, non-dairy, dry. Why couldn't it just be non-dairy creamer, right? So we got that. Ooh, toilet paper. And the good thing about this toilet paper is after you eat an MRE,
you're gonna need it.
You unfold this to a square, and then you poke your finger through the middle.
Gross, don't even.
Poke your finger through the middle, and then all you gotta do is like poke it up there, wipe, 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 and then you go like this, and you clean your finger off, just like that. What do we got here? Oh.
I could have done without the meal.
Instant coffee. This used to be Sanka, but apparently Sanka lost the contract, so now it's Diario, whatever that is. They're getting really fancy, all right, and now they give us Splenda, but no sugar. What the hell? I don't get any sugar? I don't want Splenda. Splenda tastes like shit. A moist toilette. Iodized salt, has to be iodized, and this has been in every single MRE for like the past 25 years. 2 fucking chiclets, just like that. All right, now, ooh, you ready for this? Remember the comma that I told you about before? Raisins, comma, osmotic. I don't know what that means. I know what osmosis is, but osmotic raisins? What the fuck is that? All right, ooh, wheat snack bread. That's good shit. We're definitely opening the wheat snack bread. It is essentially matzah. Mm-hmm. It's a thick matzah, is what it is. So what else we got here? Oh, ready? Tropical punch flavored, no fruit juice. They don't call it tropical punch flavored fruit juice. They call it tropical punch flavored, no fruit juice, because they want you to know right off the bat, no fruit juice. The second best thing to ever come in an MRE ever. Cheese spread. Ask me what the first best thing is.
What is the first best thing, Michael Falk?
Jalapeno cheese spread. So, funny story about cheese spread. I'm going to open this up so you can see it. This is what the cheese spread looks like. Or see that cheese spread? Mm-hmm. That's the way I ate cheese spread for years. Mm-hmm. See it all clammy and shit like that?
Gross. And
one day I got a cheese spread that was nice and smooth and creamy. And I looked at my buddy. I'm like, what's wrong with my cheese spread? He goes, what do you mean? That's what it's supposed to look like. I said, apparently I've been eating it wrong for years. So, yeah. And then,
mayo?
Bulliard's pepper sauce. That's brand new. I've never seen that before.
Yeah,
That's us in the desert. And you ready? Beef ravioli and meat sauce. Now I'm going to show you how we do this. I'm not going to bite it open. So you take your beef ravioli and meat sauce. Take your heater. Tear off the top of your heater, just like this. Now, here's the great thing about these heaters. They are Army and Marine proof. The directions actually say, put it on a rock or something. Rock or something, okay? Just so you know, rock or something.
It's like your shirt. What does your shirt say?
It says rock or something. Holy shit, I'm wearing that shirt. I had no idea I was wearing this today. So what you do, you have to make sure that you pull the chemical heater up just a little bit, because otherwise it'll start reacting as soon as you pour the water in. But then you take your food, make sure that your notches are up at the top, so that the notches aren't down in the chemical water. And you drop these down like this, and then you come over here to your water. Usually it's just a canteen. But you're gonna put some water here to the fill line, then you're gonna drop everything down in there, fold it over like this, and put it back in the box, shake it up, and then find a rock or something. Do we have a something?
I don't know, dude.
I'm in the middle of cleaning my kitchen up here. Yeah, a something. So that's going to start heating our MRE up, right like that. And we're having, we are classy.
So what is it that makes it so?
Well, the incline keeps the water down below, because if you lay it flat, all the water will start bubbling out the top.
Sure.
So you can tell we're classy because we're having our MRE with a red light wine. So while we're at it, come on, Tracy, try some wheat snack bread with me. What do you think?
No, it's food.
It's food. It'll help you survive. How about we try some osmotic raisins? I don't know what the fuck those are.
These would be okay if I had some like.
Cheese spread on it?
Oh God, gross.
I probably should have like.
Oh my God.
So.
Let me just dip some.
Just dip your.
This is classy right here.
Dip your wheat snack bread in this spooge of cheese.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's better with cheese.
Yeah, it's got that little salt in there.
So it's better with cheese. I was really hoping. What the fuck are corn nuggets?
Like sheep corn nuts?
Maybe.
Because they can't call it corn nuts because it's not, they're not branded.
Is that what a corn nut is?
Yep, totally.
Eat some. I don't know that I've ever had these.
It doesn't have that spice
It's like
it.
hard popcorn.
Yeah, so it is like corn nuts. Alright, am I still recording or are we waiting to do this whole fucking
I don't know. It's up to you. I'm having fun at this point.